Do you want to break out of the matrix and understand yourself and the world surrounding you? Are you ready to dive deep into the unknown and explore the most mind-bending mysteries of our universe? Welcome to Building Tensions, a groundbreaking live-streamed reality TV show that takes you on a 24/7 journey through the world of aliens and conspiracy theories. For 30 days only, starting June 9th, we will take you on an unprecedented adventure that's streamed live. Building Tensions is part of an innovative Web3 NFT project. Each NFT is your key to participate actively in the decisions of our journey. Join us on our journey and let us show you what you've been missing to piece your soul and the world around you together. Become a part of the community, interact live, and help us break out of the matrix. Tune in this June 9th and transform how you see the world. Only on Building Tensions.